slide's so much easier on snow.
There you go. There's some advantages. Yeah, at least you got a little bit of a landing down there. This is how it's done, folks. And use that water as ballast. It's leaning one side, you put the water on the other side. Man, you got a load. All right, Christopher, we'll see you. The only advice I got is put that fucking life jacket on. Remember, you heard it here first. Good luck, my friend.
Hopefully see you again.
Be safe. I'll get on there and see if I can get somebody else to step up further down the line.
See if we can meet up in Michigan next summer.
There you go. There you go, folks. Don't say it can't be done, because there's a guy that's doing it right there. 20 degrees out this morning. The water's still liquid, so here we go. I tell you, the people we meet, unbelievable. Tune in next week, see where Cousin Ken's at. Until then, bye.